welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a bathing suit try on and review for you. I purchased a few bathing suits off of Amazon for our upcoming cruise, which is in about 3 weeks, and I'm gonna try them on, tell you what I think about them, tell you which ones I'm keeping, and tell you which ones I'm sending back. So let's show you what we've got. First up is this navy blue floral one piece. Now I will tell you, I've tried on all of these bathing suits. I already know what ones are my favorite and what ones are not. And this one is probably not one of my favorites. I thought it was really cute when I ordered it. I got it in. I do like it. However, it's just not great for my body type. Let's show you what I mean. This is the first one. Like I said, this is not one of my favorites. It's not horrible, but I feel like it kind of pushes me flat and doesn't fit great up in the shoulder area. I almost feel like the straps are kind of like falling open, which I don't really like. It does have good support throughout the waist area here. It does have this like ruching detail right on the sides and a nice like panel in the belly. So I do like this portion of the bathing suit. However, I'm not crazy about the top. It does have a nice little dipped V front and it has this little piece that crosses over. So all in all, it is a cute bathing suit, but it's just not great for my body. This will not be one that I'm taking with me on my cruise. Okay, so I am gonna tell you, I love this bathing suit. I love everything about it. I love the color, I love the fit, I love the style. It's feminine yet a little bit sexy. I just cannot get enough of this bathing suit. So I paired this bathing suit with this really gorgeous black floral kimono. The kimono actually came from my own shop. I saved one aside for myself. I knew I just loved the print. I don't have any of these left in stock. However, if I do, I will let you guys know in the future. But it goes perfectly with my bathing suit. Let's show you what this one looks like. This one is definitely one of my favorites. I think it is super slimming. It has a deep plunge in the front. On me, it's a very flattering upper portion that's kind of, even though I am bigger up top, it kind of holds me in place nicely and makes me more symmetrical. And it's very slimming through the waist area right here, which I definitely need. Having 2 kids, I have a little bit of a mom belly going on here, and I also carry my weight like in my hips. So as you can see, it does have this little nice crisscross detail in the back, which I love. Love the little ruffle at the shoulders here. Now, this little kimono style cover up that I have, it is perfect with this bathing suit. The colors go perfectly with it. I love this. This is definitely one of the bathing suits that I'm keeping. So yes, one of my top picks. So this bathing suit was one that I did a Facebook poll asking all of my viewers whether I should pick this one or a white one. I had a toss up between 2 different bathing suits that I was gonna order, and the Facebook poll, you guys chose this one right here. So I purchased it. However, I do wanna say I did a little alteration to it. Now, I only did the alteration after I tried it on and made sure that I actually wanted to keep it. This bathing suit crisscrosses in the front at just below the neckline. And then what it used to do is it used to tie around the back of the neck. However, I felt that because I'm bigger up top, I felt that it pulled on my neck and kind of choked me. So what I did was I just did a quick little stitch and stitched these ties to the back of the bathing suit. And then it held it in place without like giving me that choke feeling. I'll show you what this one looks like on. Also have on this really cute like lightweight hooded cardigan. This came from my boutique as well. I saved one of these. I thought the color went really well with the bathing suit. I love keeping like a cardigan or a kimono or something over my bathing suit, especially on a cruise ship, you know, going to and from like the sun deck or to and from the pool or the spa. I'm definitely keeping this bathing suit. I really love it. I think it's super feminine with the color. So this is the second bathing suit that I decided to keep. So this one right here is the only two-piece bikini that I'm bringing with me. However, I love the fit of this one. Yeah, I have it actually paired up with this really cute kimono that I got from Target, and the kimono is actually gorgeous. I just got that. I thought it would go perfect with this black and white bathing suit. I've actually had this black and white bathing suit for a little while. I did buy the bathing suit from Target at the end of last season, but I haven't got to wear it yet, so it is still like new to me. So let's show you what this one looks like. This is the only two-piece that I am bringing with us on vacation. This is the one that I had gotten last year from Target. I tend to wear two-piece bathing suits more than I wear one-piece. However, some of the one-pieces this year are I really like. I love to wear these like kimono style drapey cover-ups because they definitely help with self-consciousness. This cover-up right here came from Target, and I will try to link the link for this. Definitely wanted to bring a two-piece bathing suit with me, especially for the beach. I like to have a two-piece on when we go to the beach. So this is the next bathing suit that I am gonna bring with me on the cruise. Now, I really quickly want to mention that one thing I really like about a bathing suit is if it has this like ruching in the back. Now, this is that bathing suit I just had on. This is the back side of it. You can see it has that elastic ruching right down like the bum crack area. I find that that is very flattering. So if you can find bathing suits that have that, try those out, and I think you're going to be happy with them. I tend to like them better. All right, what are we on? Number 4? Okay. This is a new bathing suit I just bought. This bathing suit actually had really good reviews from other people. Now, it is a really nice quality bathing suit. However, I wasn't crazy about the fit up top. I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. So this is one of my no's. I'm not crazy about the top portion of this bathing suit. I think it makes me look wide. And Sean actually said the same thing when I tried it on and showed him. He's like, yeah, the top, there's something going on with the top. I think maybe if it was a thinner strap, I think it would be better, but this like wide strap is a little bit too bulky for me. And because I'm already bigger in the top area, I think it just accentuates that and makes it look like I'm heavy, like top heavy. The bottom is cute. I do like this kind of like crisscross detail. It has a nice cut in the sides right here, but it's very high along the leg line, which yeah, I'm not super crazy about that. So yeah, this one's probably gonna be a no for me. This is another one I love. Something about this like crisscross shape at the front and this little ruffle at the hip on me is super, super slimming. I love that it's black. Black is so slimming in general anyhow. And then I paired it up with the really cute floral black kimono that I had. And I am just in love with this bathing suit. Let's show you this one. Okay, so this one I want to say is probably one of my favorites that I've tried. I love the crisscross in the front. I love the keyhole here at the bust line. I love the cutouts on the side. And I also love that it has this like little ruffle detail right along the leg line. I think it is super flattering. Black is also very slimming. The cut is really nice. It's really, really comfortable. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites, and I'm definitely gonna keep this one and bring this one on the cruise. All right, so here it is without the cover up. Again, super, super comfortable, really flattering. It's like, yeah, one of my favorites so far. So this is the last bathing suit of the try-on, and actually it is one of the bathing suits that I got the most requests from viewers that they wanted to see how it fit on. So I went ahead and ordered it as well. I wasn't planning on doing it, but I actually was pleasantly surprised when I did. Normally this style bathing suit doesn't really fit my body that well, but let me show you what it looks like on. Okay, so this is the last one, and this is actually also one of the bathing suits that I had the most requests that I try. A lot of people said they've seen this bathing suit online or on Cupshe, and they'd been interested in what it actually looks like on like a regular person, and so this is it right here. This is another bathing suit that I did decide to keep. I do like the straps on this. I like that it's not a wide strap, so I don't feel like it makes me top heavy. I think it's very flattering. I like this little detail across the waistline. It also has like a nice cut on the front, so it kind of holds your belly nicely. But yeah, ultimately I am gonna keep this one, right? This one is really, really pretty and slimming and comfortable. It does have like a strappy detail on the back, and it also has like this crisscross strappy thing going on at the lower part of the back, and then it does come to a slight little V down here. All right, friends, so thanks so much for following along. Those are all of the bathing suits that I received in. I know which ones are my favorite. Let me know in the comment section below which ones you thought looked the best. I'm also gonna link all of the links for each one of the bathing suits that I can link in the description. So if you'd like one of the bathing suits that I purchased, just click that link and it will send you to the affiliate website. Thanks again so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Take care.